to Mr. Barnabas Jatau. Welcome. He's a Deputy Director at the Ministry of Industry, Trade and Investment in Nigeria. His direct responsibilities include formulating and executing policy directives of the ministry on textile and wood, and promoting the development of industrial clusters with a focus on integrated textile and garment parks. His responsibilities also include monitoring and evaluating the impact of industrial policies and programs, and initiating incentives and providing advice on industrial development and related policy issues. So as you can see, we have the right person with a relevant knowledge and experience, the front line, so to speak, from the government side, to share with us his perspective on the challenges and opportunities for fostering productive capacity and regional value chains in the context of the textile sector. Mr. Jatau, it's my pleasure to invite you to provide a brief comment on the issues raised in our first round of discussion. You have the virtual floor.
The issue of how we can benefit from the AfCFTA, especially the cotton, textile, and garment. And some of the issues that have been raised here are very fundamental and should be looked at. First of all, I can say that that we have strength in developing the sector in Africa. The ecosystem provides, good climate for us to grow cotton. Like in Nigeria, the problem we have in growing cotton is maybe the cotton seed that we are using, because if per hectare is not up to 1 ton, then your production is relatively not good enough. So we in Nigeria, we have actually tried to see how we can improve cotton production, and that is very critical. Going further in Nigeria, I heard what my brother from Kenya said. In fact, it's very similar. IP in Nigeria, we have very good designs, but the moment that design enters the market and is selling, you see counterfeit coming from outside. And this is an issue that Africa must address. IP production, IP must be protected. Intellectual property in our designs, they must be protected. So I need to mention these few points, and to enable us to really participate in AfCFTA, we must work as a continent. We must protect our porous borders. We must obey the rules of origins.